ngasi aikhoi na mayoknariba drug ki problem ase cross border terrorism natte security force khaktana drug ki issue ase loishin bangam loi drug ki issue ase loishin ge hairabati aikhoi puna thengnaminaba changi haina manipur gi governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla na phongdokre nasha mukt bharat abhiyan ge saruk ama oina brahma kumaris manipur na sinduna ngasi raj bhavan hall da launch tawkiba addiction free manipur campaign ga mari leinana wafam ase mahak na phongdokhibani Thorong mari lainana mahakna makhata na hai laibak ama lairagate internal issue problem kaya ama laiba haibase hauna shane India laibak tasu yumlon nariba laibak kaya dagi lakpa external threat kaya ama mayoknare Prime Minister Narendra Modi na kumza lishingani nifutaret fawagi manungda thamliba vikshit Bharat ke manglan asigi makhada India ase hiram kaya da khumang chawshin na chatli Adubu mafam kharada khurau thangba sing mayokna tabadi natte pumnamak ase oiduna so India ase malemge phampakta manga suba khwaidagi chawba economy oiba ngamlibane malemda doctor engineer entrepreneur IIT professional masing khwaidagi yamna puthokpa leibak ase aikhoigi leibak na oribane adubu ngasi gi mirol asina mayai ka bachinjakta laichukrabade pumnamak ase arembada manggadoribane India ki coastal line amate international borders sing ase mafam kayada ahoba leiba maramna yumlo naba leibak sing dage irai line drug pusilaktuna drug ki issue kaya thokhalle government ki survey matung ina aikhoi leibak asida drug season naba naha singi masing ase hengat lakpa thengnari masimak yamna nungnang ningai oiba amane leibak amagi tungi leibak lepkadoriba leibak atuki naha singni Naha Singh aduna mayai ka bachinjakta laichuduna laikrabade laibakatuke tungi laibak kari oigani Brahma Kumari gumna non-governmental organization singna Hiramasida Mangjul Thana thabak torokpa se yamna pukning thogatningai oi International border laiba Manipur gumba state amana mayoknariba drug ki issue ase araibadi natte state asida thabak phangdaba amate atay atopa issue kaya ama mayoknari adubu drug season nabana issue sing asigi waroishin oibadi yaroi drug ase amukpu addict oikrabade khongpham handorokpada awaba ama oi maramaduna naha singna drug tage thapna leibiu Mama mapa oiba sing na su macha masu sing kupsen sena biduna macha sing aphaba lambida lamjing biu haina mahakna phongdokhe.
What perhaps we need to understand is it's not a stigma, it's part of a society behavior which has gone bad and it can be cured. Person can be brought back with effort. So if we all understand this much, perhaps all of us can put our efforts together and see that this Nasha Mukt Bharat, addiction-free Manipur can be made a reality. We definitely from government side will keep on making efforts in reducing the supply, in managing people who get addicted. But somewhere the prevention is better than cure. If we understand the side problems of this, then perhaps we should avoid it. And that can only come with a good awareness campaign. Again, complimenting Ilmaji, his team in Manipur, and people from Mount Abu, who are their medical wing specially, who are making efforts in this direction. I would like to compliment them that they're really doing a human service for the country, for our citizens.
Ngasigi Thauramadu the Indian Medical Association Manipur State Branch ke President Professor R.K. Lenin, Mount Abu Rajasthan ke Medical Wing Secretary Dr. Barna Silal Saha Amade G.B. Pant Institute New Delhi ke Associate Professor Dr. Shwarpan Gupta na Saruk Yakhe.